Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on the 3.5 liter V6 that you can find in the 2007 Chevy Malibu. Stay tuned, guys. And just lower it down to the spark plug socket. Not spark plug socket, spark plug hole. And then with your hand, okay, go ahead and get it set correctly. Now, if it doesn't feel like it's setting correctly at first, like this one, go lefty-loosey first. Get it set in the hole correctly so you don't cross thread it, and then go righty-tighty. That way the spark plug is sitting in there correctly, it's properly seated, it's not threaded, and the next time you have to take this spark plug out, it will be very easy to do it. So we're going to go ahead and run it all the way down with our fingers. You see it's finger tight. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the ratchet and make sure, there we go. That's as tight as it needs to be, guys. No more than that. It is a spark plug. So great job, guys. Let's get the rest of these done. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm putting the coil pack back in now. Do not try to attempt getting all of the spark plugs without taking the coil pack out. It's just so much easier to do it that way. So save yourselves the time, the hassle, the headache, and just make it easy on yourself. Go ahead and make sure you throw the metal plate back in to mount it. The coil pack onto, and double check that your harness is not in your way as well. Alright everyone, we got the coil pack back in place, the bolts are back in place. Now we just have to tighten the bolts down. Remember, this object does not move. You don't have to go, full torque on it and like you're trying to torque a wheel hub or, something like that. So, not too hard. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull out our spark plug wires. I went ahead and picked these up today from Advanced Auto. I am going to throw them in the video description down below. Guys, I bounce back and forth from where I order things. Advanced Auto, Amazon. If I need it right now, I get Advanced Auto. If I don't mind waiting, for my Amazon Prime, which is usually tomorrow or day after, I order it on Amazon. So both really great options. But we went ahead and picked up these spark plug wires at Advanced. They came at a great price. I will throw the link to the tools and parts used in today's video in the video description down below. Also, if this video helps you guys and it's helping you on your spark plug replacement and spark plug wire replacement, make sure you smash that like button in the lower right hand corner and smash that subscribe button while you're at it, because I post multiple times a week and it is always great DIY auto repair videos to help you put more money in your pocket instead of taking your vehicle to the auto repair shop. So as you see right here, guys, I'm taking the spark plug wires, I'm straightening them out because I like seeing them. I'm a very visual person. I know a lot of people are, hence why you're on YouTube. Okay, we are trying to find the 3 long spark plug wires, which be those 3 right there on the right, and our 3 short ones, which are these 3 on the left. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull up the firing order on the 3.5 liter V6 engine that we can find right here in our beautiful Malibu. And we're going to look at the firing order. That's going to tell us where to place the spark plug wires to.
I'm here.
All right, so here we are, guys, with the spark plug wires again. The first set was the wrong set, so I had to go back and get the correct set. And you know what? That's the great thing, guys, about having me do the repair first. That way all the mess ups can be done while I'm doing it. And I make sure that you guys have all the correct parts and tools that are needed for the repair. That way you don't waste your time like I just did going in to the parts store twice. Alright, get this rubber band off here. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and set out our 3 shorts and our 3 long spark plugs. Spark plug wires. Alright, long. Go. And we got short, and short right here. Okay, so bank 1 is actually on the left side of the engine, which is near your firewall. Okay, so these 3 shorts are going to go for cylinder 1, 3, and 5. Now, I did throw the firing order up for you guys. You do know the firing order as well. You're going to go ahead and push the little boot, okay? Little boot right there on your coil pack. So we got, and the coil pack is also numbered, everyone. So that makes it easy right there. Next, you're going to go ahead and take the other side of the spark plug wire and put it on your. All right, guys, there you have it. The 3.5 liter V6 engine has some brand new spark plugs on it. We don't have to worry about those old crusty ones anymore. I mean, look at these guys. These are just in terrible shape. See that? Look at that. That's not going to fire anything. And you know what? It all starts with small maintenance things. Spark plugs. If a spark plug fouls, it can't cause an explosion, right? A combustion in the cylinder, in the combustion chamber. It can't make it explode. No boomy, right? And when there's not enough boomy, a lot of that fuel still resides in the cylinder, causing carbon buildup. And if that carbon buildup gets on your valves, which it will if it's not burning off, okay, it causes excessive carbon buildup, which means your valves won't see it all the way, and that will cause your vehicle to die out on you, and you'll be stranded on the side of the road, all because you didn't track your spark plugs, okay? A lot of misfires are found in spark plugs alone, guys, so don't forget about it. Definitely stay tuned for the future videos coming up this week. I got a lot of great ones for you guys. The holidays are coming up, and we're knocking out a lot of work still. October is upon us, so I hope everyone has their Halloween outfit picked out. All right, guys, well, definitely stay tuned for the future episodes coming up. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, now's the time, guys. Make sure you smash that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. Also, if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button as well. It tells YouTube and myself that I'm doing a great job on the videos, and you guys like seeing what you see. All right? So, until next time, guys, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care, guys.